Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect the TWS4 wireless Bluetooth earbuds with the OnePlus phone. This is a OnePlus 7 Pro phone. That's the one that it comes in, the box for the earbuds, so you know you're in the right video, okay? So let's get started basically with the earbuds. Say they're out of the case and they're not in pairing mode. I'll show you how to manually get them into pairing mode. So first things first, make sure they're fully charged, and on top of that, make sure they are currently off. So at the very center on the touch control surface, you'll long press both of them together like this. They will light up in blue, and quickly let it go when that happens. And then one side will go into the pairing mode, okay? So once that happens, that's the first step. Now, next step is on your OnePlus 7 Pro phone or any OnePlus phone using Oxygen OS 10. Basically, we'll use the drop-down menu to access that Bluetooth icon from the top here. When you see the Bluetooth icon, long press it. So you're going to hold it down. So turn it on and then hold it down, and you'll be taken straight to the Bluetooth settings. So turn it on if it's not on, and then after that, you'll see where it says pair new device, that option right there. So you'll tap on that one time, and then it'll start searching for nearby devices. You will see TWS4. And once you see it, just tap on it one time, and it will run the pairing process for you. You will get that request. Just press pair, and then it will show you that it's connected. Now, for some OnePlus phones, it may be different. It'll show you active and battery percent, and some phones it doesn't, all right? So with that said and done, you're pretty much connected. Everything looks fine here. And to tell if they're both connected to your phone, what you're gonna do is go ahead and just pick them both up right now and look to see if they're both blinking in blue, like alternating or randomly blinking in blue like that. So 1, 2, all right? So once they do that, it means they are both sync and paired to the phone. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications, and thanks for watching. See ya.